My experience with the installation of solar rooftop panels for electricity generation have been a bit kind of mixed, because for many days actually the subsidy was not provided. Now suddenly one day my friend, who is actually an installer, solar installer, he told me that yes, now the subsidy has started. But then he told me afterwards that only some organizations from Mumbai have been chosen by the DISCOMs for doing this work, and there is some controversy regarding that. So I had been registered as one of the recipients. All of this took place through DISCOM only, the portal, and of course I was getting the SMSs that I have been selected. Then the next day it came that that selection has been cancelled because of the court decision. Then again after a couple of days I received another message saying that now a new agency again from Mumbai is now appointed and they will contact you. So I had to follow up a lot with the agency. Many days I followed up that they should provide me further information, quotation and whatever other things which they have to do, and they took their own time. Finally then they sent me a quotation. I had, for this 6 kilowatt connection, I had to deposit nearly 1,70,000 rupees, and a time limit was given within which I had to do that. So otherwise I would lose that subsidy option, and I deposited that amount in their account. After that they told me to go to DISCOM in Nagpur and seeking feasibility report from them. Then I went to the DISCOM office. They said there is pandemic and we cannot come, and in any case if you want to get subsidy then you have to do all this running around. If it was open then maybe we would have done it for you. So all those who are doing it in the open, they would normally choose the local vendor and get it done from him, because if I am the client, I need not know about all the quality of the inverters and the panels and the wiring and everything, and I could be cheated in that. This is exactly what the DISCOM officer also told me, that why are you running around, let them do this. But then I had a conference call with that person from Mumbai, and this DISCOM officer also spoke on that, and they were constantly arguing with each other. That person from Mumbai was saying, why have you opened the portal if you want that people should come and meet you personally? And this lady was saying, if you are in Mumbai, how are you going to give the feasibility report or the line diagram from sitting from there? What do you know about the technicalities of their house in Nagpur? Feasibility report part is in that ball in the court of MSEDCL or the DISCOM, and there is no time limit over there, because usually the government departments don't take any such time limit responsibility. As far as those persons are concerned, that they have said that they will install it within 60 days. But of course, that is provided I am able to get that feasibility report from the DISCOM. Current status is that I have deposited the amount and I have to do the running around for I don't know what.